Hello together. Today I will show you my Zwinker project, what I make with Bold New for the Hackathon. And yes, you can record your screen and the webcam in one and share this video, save this video and share this video via link, get some comments and so on. Yeah, that's my project. I hope you enjoy it. And now I will a little bit introduction. I give you a little bit small introduction to it. Yeah, you can create a new video. The screen will test it. I can choose the screen, what will be captured. I can also control them. Then I can go next with the camera, test the camera, go next with the microphone, test the microphone, and when I have tested and activate all elements I want to have in my video, I can go ahead with the capturing of the video. And now we start the recording, can start the recording, and the timer ticks down, and the screen capturing will start, and I can stop the recording, give a title on the description. My video will be saved and displayed on my website. I can watch them and share it via a link I get copied to the site. You can get some comments and something like this. Yes, I think you enjoy my project and the video and the hackathon, and I wish you all the best. And yeah, greetings from Germany. Bye.